Ever felt like writing HTML and CSS in your React project takes too long? Similar with this div and paragraph, I cannot press tab in order to automatically generate the code or tags that I want. Even if you keep hitting the tab key, it will only make spaces on our workspace. What if I told you there's a way to speed up your workflow with just a few keystrokes? Meet Emmet, a powerful toolkit that can make your coding life a lot easier. And today I'm going to show you how to set it up for React. Go to your setting on the gear icon on the bottom left. Select settings and then look for JSON setting. I've included the Emmet toolkit code in the description below. Copy and paste it into your JSON file to configure it. Be sure to include a comma at the end of the preceding line in your JSON settings before pasting the code. Make sure to save before you exit. With Emmet, you can write less code and get more done. It's all about working smarter, not harder. This time, you can automatically generate the tags you ever wanted in React by hitting the tab key. No more manual typing. By configuring Emmet for JSX, you'll streamline your coding process and focus more on building your React components.